There's a quiet magic in the garden at the end of the day. The sun hangs low, casting long shadows as you look over your work. Neat rows of vegetables, hopeful rosebuds, life stirring in the soil. It's deeply satisfying, connecting us to the earth's rhythm. But with this satisfaction comes an ache in the back, tired muscles from a day of bending, lifting, and hauling. Gardening is a labor of love, but it's still labor. We dig, we carry, we spread mulch, believing it's the best way to protect our soil. Yet, I wonder, does nature work this hard? In wild meadows and woodlands, no one spreads bags of mulch, yet the soil is rich and plants thrive. Maybe the secret isn't to do more, but to understand more. To work with nature, not against it. What if there's a gentler, wiser way to care for our soil, one that lightens our load and brings more life to our gardens? It starts by seeing the ground beneath our feet in a new light. For years we've been told that thick mulch is the answer to many gardening problems. We buy heavy bags, spread them with care, hoping to keep weeds down and moisture in, but traditional mulch is dead organic matter. It decays, sometimes locking up vital nutrients like nitrogen. Thick layers can block rain from reaching the soil, leaving roots thirsty. Damp mulch can breed mold and fungus, causing rot and disease at plant bases. Piling mulch against stems can suffocate plants, a common mistake. Beyond biology, there's the cost and effort, hauling, spreading, and repeating every year. Old mulch breaks down or blows away, trapping us in a cycle of work and expense. In trying to help, we may be creating more problems than we solve. There must be a better way. Let's step into an ancient woodland or wild meadow. Look down, no bare earth, no neat bark chips. Instead, a living carpet of plants, low leaves, creeping stems, a tapestry of green. This is nature's mulch, alive and thriving. Ground cover plants shield soil from sun, keep it cool and moist, and suppress weeds. When leaves die, they fall and decompose, feeding the soil and building rich topsoil. Roots create channels for air and water, keeping soil open and healthy. The healthiest soil is teeming with life, above and below. Nature's secret, a dynamic, breathing ecosystem, not a dead blanket. What if we could invite life in to do the work for us? Imagine growing our own living mulch, a community of plants that protects, feeds, and enriches our soil. Season after season, nature shows us the way. Let's learn from her. Meet Phacelia tanacetifolia, a living mulch that gives more than it takes. Its fern-like leaves quickly form a lush green carpet over bare soil. Then come the lavender-blue flowers, unfurling like a scorpion's tail. Bees adore them, and with Phacelia, your garden will buzz with pollinators. These insects boost pollination for your beans, tomatoes, and fruit trees. Below ground, Phacelia's deep fibrous roots break up compacted soil, aerate it, and add organic matter as they decay. It's like having thousands of tiny tillers working for you. Phacelia is a nutrient scavenger, especially for nitrogen. When you cut it down, it releases stored nutrients back into the soil, right where your next crop needs them. It's a natural, slow-release fertilizer. Phacelia works in harmony with your garden, above and below the surface. It's a simple way to build healthier, more vibrant soil. Buckwheat, Phagopyrum esculentum, is the hero of speed. If you need to cover bare soil fast, buckwheat is your answer. It germinates quickly, forming a dense canopy of heart-shaped leaves that outcompete weeds. This living cover shades the soil, keeping it cool and moist, protecting vital soil life. Buckwheat thrives in poor soils and unlocks nutrients, especially phosphorus, making them available for future crops. When cut and left on the bed, it releases these nutrients as it decomposes. Its delicate white or pink flowers attract pollinators and beneficial insects. With a short life cycle, it's easy to manage. Just cut before it sets seed. Buckwheat is a fast, effective, and generous plant, asking little in return. It's a living mulch that works hard for your garden. Let it do the heavy lifting. Phacelia and buckwheat are powerful alone, but together they're transformative. Sowing both creates a living mulch that's more effective and resilient than either alone. Buckwheat germinates fast, shading soil and suppressing weeds, giving Phacelia time to establish. As buckwheat grows tall, Phacelia fills in below, creating a dense, two-tiered cover. Their roots work at different depths. Buckwheat in the upper soil, Phacelia deeper, improving the entire soil profile. When it's time to plant, simply cut the mulch and leave it on the surface. The cut plants protect soil, conserve moisture, and release nutrients as they break down. Plant your seedlings directly into the soft earth beneath. The roots rot in place, feeding worms and microbes. It's a complete soil makeover, done by plants. Embracing living mulch transforms your soil and your gardening experience. Weeding becomes rare. The dense carpet outcompetes unwanted plants. Watering is less frequent as the mulch shields soil from sun and wind. After one season, you'll see darker, crumbly, worm-filled earth. Signs of healthy soil. Decaying roots and top growth feed microbes and worms, building fertility. Your plants grow stronger, more resilient, and more productive. Chemical fertilizers and pesticides become unnecessary as natural balance returns. Gardening shifts from endless chores to observation and enjoyment. You're working with nature, not against it. The garden becomes a place of discovery, beauty, and connection. It's a gentler, more rewarding way to grow. Imagine a garden that cares for itself. Soft soil, few weeds, and little digging. Living mulches shift our perspective. Soil is a living entity to nurture, not control. A constant cover of green lets soil breathe, soak up rain, and resist drought. The living carpet prevents erosion and builds a stable foundation for years to come. Flowers attract pollinators and beneficial insects, while roots support a thriving underground community. By stepping back, you let natural processes flourish. Your role becomes that of a conductor, orchestrating the right plants at the right time. The result, a productive, beautiful, ever-changing garden. It's a testament to the power of working with nature. The greatest lesson of living mulches is trust. Trusting nature's wisdom. For too long we've gardened with anxiety, believing constant intervention is necessary. But scattering Phacelia and buckwheat is an act of faith, embracing a wilder, more natural beauty. It's a shift from control to collaboration. We're partners, not masters. Try it. Find a bare patch, sow the seeds, water, and watch. See how quickly the ground is covered, how bees arrive, how the soil softens and enriches. Let your garden teach you the power of life and balance. As you give up hard labor, you gain time to sit, watch, and enjoy your thriving sanctuary. Trust the process. Trust the plants. Trust the soil. Your garden and your back will thank you. Let nature lead the way.